I have entered in the university GC. Let's explore this. So this is the university of friends. This overground, you can see that, and this is the path to enter the GC university. So let's move, friends, and explore this beautiful place of Lahore. Friends, it is GCU. I have entered. Let's go first in the Inter Cafe. So here is the path. You can see that it is the Inter Cafe. So let's enter there. So friends, this is Inter Cafe. We called it Inter Cafe because it is the cafe for the intermediate students. It means college students. They used to come there. They enjoy the meal, fast food, burgers. Friends, this is the beauty of GC. This is a ground. People used to sit there and study as well, and they have a chit chat. Friends, this is the main tower known as Clock Tower of GC University. The main beauty of the university, its beautiful structure. It's like that we are not in Pakistan, we are in UK and in Cambridge University, like that. Friends, this is the motto of GC University: courage to know. Means they enlighten our minds with knowledge, with grooming, with personality development and information skills. You can see that 150 years of excellence. So it means that it has been 150 years to be established, and it was first government college in 1864, but in 2002 it was given the name of, it was regarded as Government College University. Okay, it became university, and it was monument unveiled by Honorable Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan. This is the office of VC, Vice Chancellor of GC University, Asghar Zaidi. So let's move. And this is called the amphitheater of GC University. You can see that there are lots of students sitting there, and there is like a function because this university is going to release a movie, The Last Follower of Harry Potter. This movie made by students of GC University, Ravians, made a movie, and they are going to release it on 29th November. I will recommend you to watch this movie. This is an amazing movie made by the students of GC University. Friends, this is the pathway of GC University. It is so much attractive and enchanting. Friends, this is the Bukhari Auditorium, and this is the lawn of Bukhari Auditorium. And you can see that there is a written on that board, TEDx GCUL Lahore. And there is an event as well, stall. Friends, this is the beauty of GC, that there are a lot of events occurred in this university, and students came there and enjoy and express their skills, abilities, and groom their personalities as well. So you can see that there is the preparation going on in GC, and this is the Bukhari Auditorium, and this is the Clock Tower of GC University. This is the beautiful mosque of GC University. The interesting thing about this mosque is that before the independence this was a church, but after the independence it converted into the mosque for the Muslims. So students used to come there and offer their prayers. You can see that there is a rush of people. And this is also a love garden. You can see that, so greenery, so grass, and so much beautiful view. And there is a metro also. You can see the metro bus station. So this is the view of GC University. And so much beautiful view is that you can see the GC University from here, tower, Clock Tower. And you can see that structure like GC. Here is the advertisement of movie Harry Potter, The Last Follower of Harry Potter. This movie is released by the students of GC Ravians. They made a movie, the Harry Potter, The Last Follower of Harry Potter. You can see that, and the tickets they are now available. We can purchase tickets and enjoy this movie. It is made in GC University. You can see that, and there is a trailer given on this screen, and Vice President VC Asghar Zadi is telling about us the movie. So I will recommend you to watch this movie as well. This is the oval ground of GC University. So much beautiful. Here you can see that a student is studying, and some students are talking with each other and enjoying there. Here is the beautiful view, and there is also friends. This is the beauty of GC University. So much students are waiting for the functions, and this is the amphitheater where there are a lot of functions conducted, and students groom, enjoy like that. You can see that.